Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. The car I will be working today is my Nissan Micra, not the BM. So one of the headlight is not working. I found out that the headlight connector needs replacing. It's a good reason to make this video and just show you how you can just do this wiring. So all you need is these two tools. So this is what I will be using to cut the wire. Now if you see closely, you can see all the numbers in there. Now the smaller the number is, the thicker the wire is. The next thing we need is this wire crimping. You can see this tools isn't expensive at all. I got it from eBay. I'm gonna link them in the description below. Last and the least, what you need is this connectors. It's pretty handy if you get one of these ones which comes with mix of other connectors. For today's job, I think all we need is this to get the wires connected. So let's go and let's get started. I'll quickly pop up the hood. Let me quickly show you this. This is the old connector in the car and it's pretty bad. It's been melted. So what I will be doing is cut this old connector off and then rejoin it with the new connector, which I got it off from eBay as well. This should be pretty straightforward. So the first thing we're doing is taking this black tape off so we can access the wear. These are the three ways. Let's use this cutter to slice off the wire. That's it. So that's done. So using this, I have just cut all three wires. Now let's go and let's connect the connector on this. So all you got to do is just put it in here just like this. So that's in. Now I'll be using the crippler. Give a little snudge. That's it. So there we go. We just successfully crimped it, and you can see it's solid now. It's not going anywhere, which is good. That's what you want. Now let me get these other two done. Now all three wires are now connected to the connector, which is good. Now we're gonna cut the old wire off and just connect it with the new one. So that's done. Now we're just gonna do the same thing for the other two wires. So these three wires are now connected. That should be secured. Now let's go and let's test this headlight connector out now. Sweet. Right, as you can see, the wiring is now fixed, so it's all connected, nice and solid. Now let me just finish off the installation, which is just putting the headlight back on the holder, and that's about it. That's how you change wiring in your car, and I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, just do make sure to press a little thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you for next time. Goodbye.